Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple step to remove a Microsoft account in Windows 10. And the best part is, all your data will remain completely safe throughout the process. For example, as you can see on my desktop, I have some folders and files. Don't worry, nothing will be deleted. So let's get started. First things first. Open Settings, then find Account section, then click on it. To remove the Microsoft account, click on the option that says Sign in with a local account instead. Now click on Next. Here, you'll be asked to enter your Microsoft account password. Go ahead and type the password, then click OK. Next, we'll create a local user account for the system. Type in any name. Now create a password for your local account and add a hint just in case you forget the password. Click Next. Now click on Sign Out and Finish. Your system will now sign out. After that, you'll see the local user account we just created. And just like that, you're now signed in with a local account. And that's it. That's how you can remove a Microsoft account from Windows 10 safely without losing any of your data. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.